Hello, and welcome to a video on how to change the volume unit and volume flow unit values of your Coriolis device. So your first step is to press the down arrow until you see the word Configuration on your screen. Then you press E, and you'll be prompted for a password. The stock password for all Coriolis devices is all zeros, so you can just press E to confirm the current password. Now you should be looking at the configuration menu, so you should see the words Flow Configuration on your screen. Next, you can press the down arrow until you see Unit Configuration on your screen. Now you can press E to enter the Unit Configuration submenu. Now you should see Mass Unit on your screen, and you can press the down arrow until you see Volume Unit on your screen. Then you can press E to start editing the parameter. You can switch to your desired unit by pressing the left arrow or down arrow until your unit is flashing. Once your desired unit is flashing, you can press E to select the unit, and the device will prompt you to confirm the change. You can confirm your change by pressing the left or down arrow until the Y is flashing. Then you can press E to once again confirm the changes. You should now see Volume Unit on your screen along with the new unit. You can now press the down arrow once to switch to the volume flow unit parameter, and then press E to start editing the parameter. Now you can press the left or down arrow to switch the flashing value to your desired unit, and then you can press E to select it. The device will once more ask you to confirm your changes, so you can press the left or down arrow to change the flashing value to the Y, and then pressing E to confirm it once more. You should now see Volume Flow Unit on your screen, along with the new value. And with that, we can conclude this video on changing the volume unit and volume flow unit on a Coriolis device. We appreciate your patronage and hope to speak with you soon. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the following.